In the high-stakes world of military operations, resupplying troops in combat zones has always been a perilous task. Ensuring that soldiers have access to essential supplies like weapons, food, and medical resources is critical to the success of any operation. However, these missions come with significant risks, particularly to the pilots who carry out these dangerous tasks. With advancements in autonomous technology, the face of resupply operations is beginning to change. The future of military logistics could soon see unmanned aircraft carrying vital supplies to the frontlines, reducing the risk to human life and enhancing mission efficiency. While drones have become a staple in modern military operations for surveillance and strike missions, their limitations in payload capacity and size restrict their effectiveness in larger, more complex resupply tasks. That's where companies like Sikorsky, known for their innovative aircraft designs, are stepping in. Sikorsky has developed the Matrix system, a revolutionary technology that retrofits existing helicopters, such as the UH-60 Black Hawk, enabling them to fly autonomously. The Matrix system has already undergone extensive testing on the Black Hawk with remarkable success. This system allows the helicopter to operate without a human pilot, performing missions like cooperative flights and firefighting operations. The technology has proven itself capable in various environments, and now it is poised to transform military resupply operations. In a groundbreaking move, the U.S. Marine Corps has selected the autonomous Black Hawk, equipped with the Matrix system, for its aerial logistics connector program. This initiative is focused on assessing how autonomous aircraft can be used to resupply Marines on the battlefield, particularly in contested areas where traditional resupply routes may be too dangerous. By replacing human pilots with autonomous systems, these helicopters can perform vital resupply missions without exposing military personnel to harm. What sets this technology apart is its potential for use in high-risk, fast-paced combat environments. The upcoming tests will see the autonomous Black Hawk in action, flying from Navy ships and shore-based expeditionary bases. These trials will test the system's flexibility, with the autonomous helicopter capable of being controlled remotely by operators or assisted by virtual co-pilots. The system's adaptability is a major advantage, allowing it to function with multiple configurations: 2 onboard pilots, a single pilot with a virtual co-pilot, or fully autonomous flight. Though the exact timeline for these tests is still unclear, the potential of autonomous helicopters in military operations is undeniable. While widespread deployment of self-flying military helicopters may still be some years away, the growing interest and investment from both military and private sectors signal a rapid evolution in unmanned flight technology. We are likely to see more autonomous systems integrated into military logistics in the coming years, providing safer and more efficient solutions for resupplying troops in the field. The research and development of autonomous aerial logistics systems could lead to a significant shift in how resupply missions are conducted. With human soldiers no longer having to risk their lives transporting essential supplies, the efficiency of operations could greatly improve. Furthermore, as autonomous flight technology continues to evolve, we can expect the emergence of systems capable of performing a wide range of military and even civilian functions. The continued success of the Matrix system indicates that we may be on the verge of a new era in military aviation. This shift toward autonomous systems also raises intriguing possibilities for the future of warfare. Whether it's self-flying helicopters, drones, or other unmanned vehicles, the integration of these technologies into military operations will reshape how logistics, combat, and even strategy are approached. The progress made with the Matrix system represents just the beginning of a technological revolution that will transform military logistics and potentially combat itself. Ultimately, the USMC's trials of the autonomous Black Hawk signal the start of an exciting new chapter in military innovation. With autonomous systems offering greater flexibility, efficiency, and safety in resupply missions, the future of military aviation may look dramatically different. As companies like Sikorsky continue to push the boundaries of autonomous flight, we can expect to see further advancements in unmanned technology, reshaping how the military operates in combat zones and beyond. As the technology matures, autonomous helicopters may not only revolutionize military logistics but also pave the way for broader applications in both military and civilian sectors. The self-flying Black Hawk could be a key player in shaping the future of warfare, highlighting the growing role of automation in modern defense strategies.